Are you ready for a lifestyle that's social? Are you looking for a neighborhood that's fun? Are you ready for a home that's ready for you? I'm Megan Fass. Welcome to McLean Hamlet. A tour of this home has to start with the kitchen because it is high-end. Designer features with a whole lot of style. An island so big, you'll never run out of space. Thoughtfully designed with a chef in mind. And an entertainer's bar that leads the best parties. With 2 family rooms, you can chill with the movie upstairs, or downstairs, you can game with your friends, dude. Come home to a dream mudroom and enjoy the luxury of redesigned baths. A backyard like this is refreshing, it's bubbly, and it's fun. One of the coolest parts about the neighborhood is joining the pool, and McLean Hamlet has a real community feel. If you're looking for a great home, an amazing community, and fast results, your next chapter is waiting.